Yes, it's still like 80 degrees in California, and yes, I'm sweating in my flannel, but I'm trying to get into the spirit because Starbucks already came out with their PSL, pumpkin spice latte, so I figured I might as well make a keto coffee version too. Alright, for those of you who don't know who I am, I'm Autumn and I'm a certified clinical nutritionist, and on my channel I talk about everything having to do with health and wellness and nutrition and how to achieve your wellness dreams, including through your coffee. So if this is something that you're interested in, make sure that you subscribe to my channel because I'm posting new videos every Thursday on how you can become your best self and achieve your wellness dreams. Today I'm going to be sharing 2 recipes with you today, and they both are very much fall inspired. And why not get into the fall spirit with a healthy pumpkin spice latte that not only is low in sugar with only 2 net grams of carbohydrates, but it'll also help you to tap into your fat burning mechanisms so that you don't have a crash in energy. You can still reach your weight loss and fitness goals. Like I mentioned, I'm going to be sharing 2 recipes today: keto pumpkin spice latte and keto chai tea latte. Which are you more of? Pumpkin spice? Actually, pumpkin spice? Chai tea latte. Pumpkin spice? Chai tea latte. I'm more of a chai tea latte person, but this is really good too. Let's get started with the pumpkin spice latte. So, what you're gonna need. I have a lot more coffee in here than you probably will need, but starting off with about 12 to 16 ounces of coffee, so that'll be perfect. I had already pre-brewed this, so it's all ready for you guys. Now this recipe is super simple. All you need, some pumpkin puree. I get an organic pumpkin puree. You can get it from Whole Foods. I think Trader Joe's probably has it too. I also use this in a few of my recipes in my intermittent fasting program, so you'll definitely get some use out of it. Next is the coconut oil. I talk about the difference between coconut oil and MCT. It's about a tablespoon here that I'm doing. In some previous videos, you can check out my keto coffee video on my channel. I believe I posted about 2 months ago, so it's fairly easy to find. But talk about the difference and why I prefer coconut oil there. 1 tablespoon of grass-fed butter, and then a half teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. So you can make your own as well, but this is just super easy. And all you have to do is dump it in. And you can stop there if you want, if you don't want your coffee to be sweet, which some people don't. But in order to keep the blood glucose levels stable, but still get that little sweetness that you want with a pumpkin spice latte, I use monk fruit. So monk fruit is a big old bag. You can order online on Amazon. The one I use is called Lakanto, and you just order it online, and it doesn't stimulate your blood glucose the way that regular sugar or honey or maple syrup does. So you can still get the fat burning benefits without the spikes in blood glucose levels. Now all we have to do, if I can find my cap, there it is. Now all I have to do is blend. This smells so good, oh my God. I'm just gonna pour this up. Let's give it a little taste, why not? It smells like fall. So that is keto pumpkin spice latte. Now, like I mentioned, with the pumpkin puree that's within it, this may still break your fast. So what I would recommend, if you're going to have it, use it like a treat. It's basically a healthy version of the pumpkin spice latte that you would get from Starbucks. And if you have my program, you also have the homemade whipping cream that you can put on top. And that'd be a serious treat. Okay, next up, let's do chai tea latte. So like I mentioned, I'm more of a chai tea latte person. I like pumpkin spice lattes as well, but chai tea latte is more of my thing. Okay, so I have some brewed black tea. You can also use chai tea, but you can just use black tea. It's just the same thing. So just pour your freshly brewed black tea into the blender. And of course, the grass-fed butter, which I talk about in, again, the keto coffee video, why grass-fed butter is so important. So just make sure you give that one a look out, check out. I don't know, what do you say? And then of course, coffee, coconut oil. Okay, now this right here, it's a combination of different spices that you use in order to make that chai flavor. Now in this mixture I have a half a teaspoon of ground cinnamon and then an eighth a teaspoon of ground ginger, ground cardamom, ground nutmeg, and ground cloves. And then just a little pinch of salt, which will help to bring out the natural sweetness from the butter as well. That's it. So that one's super simple. So let's just blend that one up. Oh my god, this smells so good. Oh, it's so crazy how much it smells just like a regular chai tea latte that is filled with sugar and a bunch of other junk. You can see the froth too, which is probably one of the best parts. Wow. Using the fresh spices really makes it more flavorful than any chai tea latte you probably had before. This is seriously, actually might need to swap this out sometimes from a keto coffee, you know, for the fall. Switch it up. The keto chai is actually something you can use within the intermittent fasting program as well. Directly swapped out for the keto coffee, the regular keto coffee, and you still get the same benefits. It still has the grass-fed butter and the coconut oil that helps with all the gut healing and the energy. Just has some extra flavor. So if you are more of a tea person, this is a really good alternative. Again, my name's Autumn, and if you love everything that has to do with nutrition and wellness and really awesome recipes, including the keto chai and the keto pumpkin spice latte, then make sure you give my channel a subscribe, because like I said, I'm putting out new videos every Thursday. So you're gonna get all of this really amazing information on how to live your best life with amazing tasty food, like the keto chai tea latte. Okay, well thank you, and I'll see you guys next Thursday.